The middle of nowhere? She's motion sick. I think we should go to shore. I don't think that's a good idea.
I think we should go back.
Yeah. We should go to head closer to shore now. I don't like the idea of us taking in the middle of the ocean.
There goes the tidal wave.
Hey, what's wrong?
Oh my head.
What do you mean?
Kaya wala natin. Super malaki ko siya kalay ba po.
Yeah, I don't think we should start heading back or closer to shore.
It's been like 2 hours. You should go that way if you want to go closer to shore, not that way.
No, but I just don't think it's a good idea because it's beeping.
Why is he going that
Beeping
way?
sounds are not a good thing. Usually those are when like tornado warnings, fire alarm, all those other stuff. Countries that come to Bahamas, man. That's the plan.
We're going back right now, right?
Yeah, because there's a beeping noise, and we're not about to drown. Just 1 hour.
Or just go closer to the shore, because closer to the shore is more calm.
Daddy, somebody said that you should come to the Bahamas. It just takes an hour.
Yeah, some sun.
Oh, this is good lighting.
From both that noise and the motion.
The Bahamas is just 1 hour from here.
Turn it off. Huh? Turn it off. You turn it off? Yeah.
What is? I don't know what's wrong. I'm concerned. It's yelling at us.
The good news is I have towing service. I saw it. Huh? I saw the towing. Yeah, no, with it. Okay. All right. Let me tell you, maybe right. I'm going to show you. Let me tell you, maybe. I'm going to sometimes. Saya drop me there. Come get here.
Slow down. Let's check this warning.
Well, I don't want to slow down here. I want to slow down in the coastal. We're going to check it out in the coastal. Not in the ocean, you know.
If we die, just know I died doing something fun.
like
be the battery switch. Maybe switch
the engine is too fucking hot. You gotta shut off. Everyone's like, oh, you shut it off, my life.
Go closer to the shore.
Let's go closer to the shore. Let's go in the coastal.
You can stop letting anybody out here. I know. Just lower the thing down and...
Ocean not be bad island. People obey.
Huh?
Ocean not be obey.
Bro, lower the thing down and just let the engine cool down.
We can just stop right now and just chill and have some snacks and food and stuff. Okay? Yeah, just turn it off. It's not a good noise. Alright, I'm going downstairs. Somebody else is
Why don't we go downstairs?
Hey. Oh wow, I got the way we go.
Yeah, but...
Ooh. Oh god no.
That's why I was trying to go in there.
Yeah. We'll cool off for a little.
Wavy over here. It's not the same thing.
Oh, never mind. It's better now. It's better.
Yeah, you guys, you know what I'm saying, but yet you're still arguing. Yeah, it's not as wavy, it's not as bouncy. Yeah, I was trying to...
Can you hold Daddy's phone? I'm trying to go inside.
Huh? I don't want all of it, but I just want
Somebody hold. Daddy. I'm gonna leave your phone.
plastic or whatever.
I'm gonna leave your phone right here. I'm leaving it right here. Excuse me.
Papa, you hungry? Nah, man, we going back.
Oh, you going back?
Let me go up Balila.
Still got the pumps running?
Let me go up Balila. Back on La Musha. La say back and pay.
You still got the pumps running?
No, I turned them off.
Wanna go? Give me 2 things for me.
Before I hit the super side.
Daddy, can I get my phone now?
Shut it down. Now there's some people that shut down over there, so I'm gonna start now.
Stop here?
Totally shut it off? Yeah, you have to.
Oh, let's go for ask for your phone now. Daddy, can I get my phone now?
Huh?
My phone.
This one just oh no. I got my phone. Eu não vou ganhar, eu tô na dança, eu faço uma coisa na feira. Eu no slow down, no slow down. Tá fechando lá no mas olha lá não, isso lá não. Recordou? okay?
No, no te quedes, no. Você quer chegar aqui lá, não vai chegar aqui.
É?
Você quer chegar aqui lá, não vai chegar aqui.
Jungle Queen. Jungle Queen. Get me a water. Don't go for ça va dans la sac.
Yeah, let's get there out. It may be oil. We'll check the oil.
I think it's fluid.
Huh?
I think it's the fluid. I think the fluid. It gotta be fluid. Papa! Passe la porte.
Pas crier, non.
Turkey from here. I'm not going to Turkey. Ni tena mingi wewe. Mingi kwa mimi kosa.
That's what's great. I think it goes too fast over here.
Jangan pun nak ambil rumah, jangan pun nak. Wali la soleil la sortie, mais wali tu la soleil la sortie. Si t'as regardé ça n'a pas ça la fait là,
Pas j'ai musique ça, chaque fois que t'entends me sentir blessé.
on détaque de notre
C'est vite prêté danser, n'importe qui va nous pas de musique ça, c'est un concours de couteau en baguette. La vie me goût en mer, sans au moins sentir toute douleur. Mais on met de musique ça, même pas mon cœur l'a pas changé. C'est voir nous tous les deux, pas petit quitter message soufflé. Chérie, pas que je parais, ou moins oublier sans nous tailler. Pas de musique ça.
Ego vivo, bye.
J'habite Lougaou, nous pas fait tellement de l'amour. Pas de musique ça, yo dit ou pas gagner de maman. Mais chaque qui de maman, ou on te plus que yo maman. Aïe aïe, on met de musique ça, yo n'a pas souri moins que de. Le ciel fait nous yon coup. Mwen met tout nan goudou. Pas quoi m'a paré, ou mwen oublié sans nous tailler.
I like to. Let's go to the back.
C'est mon nom, message là. C'est la ville m'a célébré. Qui donne-moi d'en danser. C'est ça qui a soulagé. Au lieu de lever dans bien temps. Pour exprimer l'amour. Vite on profite de chaque la vie a offert nous. C'est comme ça que ça va nous.
C'est la ville qu'on célèbre.
Qui comme moi n'a pensé. C'est ça qu'on pour exprimer l'amour, vite on profite de chaque moment. La vie ça offrit nous, ce concert.
ça freeze, man.
Ça va couvrir
Qui bagaille?
et taper ça.
Là, 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 ouvre, oui. Ouvre pour nous ouvrir, lui. Là, là, commence à être là. Qu'est-ce qui se passe là? Dans mon gars, ah, shit! Stop music, man. Sorti?
Stop music là.
Non, moi, mon gars, brûlé, moi. Mon gars, brûlé. Même pas ma life téléphone, ça, c'est. Le mieux, c'est le problème.
Ton esprit, ta vie va dans des comptes sans penser, secret dans le cœur, toute émotion, c'est soleil qui t'élève.